Exercise number 66, second part, ready, start. The object of the state law being planned development acquisition is merely incidental thereto, and therefore such an approach does not offend any of the known principles of statutory interpretation. Full stop. Paragraph. The respondents engaged in the business of import of rough marble blocks classifiable under subheading 15.12 of the Customs Tariff Act 1975. Stop. The goods imported by them were confiscated under section 111 within bracket D of the Act. Stop. They were given option to redeem the goods on payment of redemption fine, which was fixed, adopting the margin of profit as the basis under section 125 with penalty levied under section 112 within bracket A of the Act. Stop. The appeals of importers were partly allowed by the Customs, Excise and Gold Control Appellate Tribunal, observing that the facts in each case were similar to those in Messrs. So and so versus Commissioner of Customs, decided on 30 January 2002, and therefore reduced the redemption fine and penalty to 20% and 5% of the CIF value respectively. Stop. The Revenue filed an application under section 130 of the Act before the High Court, stating the questions for reference by the tribunal to the High Court. Stop. The High Court rejected the applications on the ground that no question of law arose from orders of the tribunal. Stop. Aggrieved Revenue filed the appeals. Full stop. Paragraph. On a bare perusal of the provisions of section 130A of the Customs Tariff Act 1975, it is manifest that it is for the party applying for reference to clearly state the question of law which he seeks to be referred to the High Court, and then it is for the High Court to consider whether any such question of law stated in the application for reference before it should be directed to be referred. Stop. In the instant cases, it is manifest from the format of the questions proposed by the Revenue for reference to the High Court that the Revenue did not assail the tribunal's finding to the effect that the facts in the instant cases were similar to those in Messrs. So and so Marble Industries. Full stop. It is a trite proposition that unless the correctness of the facts on the basis whereof an inference is drawn by the tribunal is put in issue, a question of law does not arise from its order in any way. Stop.